Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to cancel a bid on Stockx. So let's get into the video. So open up Stockx and then log into your account. So you need to be logged into your account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what are you going to do? Go to your profile here. So click on your profile. I'm going to go to your order which you want to cancel the bid for. So go to your profile and then under buying, click on buying here. So under buying, you should see the all your active orders. So select the order that you wish to cancel the bid for. So what are you going to do? So once this loads, so under current, I have this order here. So this is the one that I've placed the bid. So I'm going to cancel this. So to do that, what are you going to do? Just simply select that item. So select the order, and then once the order loads, if you scroll down, you will see an option called delete bid. So if you want to cancel a bid, so simply click on the delete bid, and then it's going to ask you for a confirmation. Then click on yes, and that will cancel and delete your bid, and then your order will be removed. So this is how you can cancel your bid on Stockx. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.